Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today I'm going to create a press-on set of nails for myself. This is going to be Powerline Max for Disneyland for 90s night. So me and my husband went to 90s night at Disneyland. I was so excited. I'll input some photos at the very end, but I wanted to create a set of nails for Disney, obviously. The main theming for 90s night was the Goofy movie, so I had to do Powerline Max for this. So we're going to start by drawing him out. And for all my character nails, I do a rough sketch with a pencil on the nail first, and then I go in and I do my black outlining. So I'll be using the Madam Glam gel paints in black to do the outlining. And I just have a picture up on my computer just for reference so I can kind of look at the image and then draw it as I go. But I just kind of do a rough sketch with the pencil and then do a rough sketch with the gel and then basically fill them in like a coloring book. So if you're interested in any of my other character nails, I have quite a few. I will leave a link. I believe I have a playlist. I'll leave a link to that down below. So once I have the black outline all done, I'm going to go ahead and fill him in like a coloring book. So I'll be using more gel paints from Madam Glam. I pulled the red, blue, and yellow gel paint as well as the white. So I'm just going to go in. I'm doing one color at a time and then flash curing in between. And then once I have the whole thing filled in with color, then I'll do a full cure. Here for the skin color of Max, I have it later in the video, but it is Madam Glam's Cake Batter. It's a really good kind of nudie light color. It worked really well for his skin tone. And then for the blue background, again, I have it later in the video, but it is going to be Madam Glam's Eye Roll, which is a nice lighter sky blue type of a shade. So once I have the character all filled in with all the colors, I just go back in with my black gel paint and I just perfect the line work of this because sometimes the colors kind of go over the line. So I just want to sharpen everything up that needs to be sharpened up with the black. And then I go ahead and top coat and Powerline Max is all set. So I am creating a set of press-ons for myself for this trip, just because I knew it was cutting it too close to do the set on myself, so I did it ahead of time on some press-ons and then put them on. So I have my press-ons ready to go on the stands here. I already had my sizes picked out, and then you could see Powerline Max is already on there. So the first color I'm going to use is Madam Glam's Neon Honey, which I love this shade. It's a bright golden yellow kind of honey tone glitter shade. It is so pretty. I love this shade, especially for the summertime, but also kind of into fall. You could do like sunflower nails type with this color. It's so pretty. So I'm going to do some of the nails with this shade. And then I'm going to go in with Madam Glam's Eye Rule, which is that light sky blue. So I am going to do a few of the nails in this color as well. Then moving on, I have Madam Glam's Cake Batter. I'm going to do one accent nail with this, and I'll show you what that is in a while. I go ahead and do a second coat of all of these colors. So now going in on all of the blue nails, I'm going to create this scattered pattern, which has some kind of zigzags, some triangles, some circles, some lines, and then I'm also going to do some hidden Mickeys on this as well. So I start with the yellow. This is the Madam Glam gel paint in yellow, and I'm going in and just again doing a scattered version of this print. This print is very 90s. It was all over the advertising for the Disney 90s night as well. Then I'm going to go in with Madam Glam's Girl Power, which is a bright, not quite a neon, but it is a very bright purple. And I'm also going to continue the pattern with this color as well. moving on to my other accent nail. So I have the base with cake batter on it. And I'm going to insert a picture. I asked my husband what I should do on my nails, like what kind of 90s design. And he said I should do this design that is on these paper cups. And I thought it was funny at first, but it kind of goes with the vibe. So I did recreate this. So I took eye rule, which is our light blue, and I kind of sponged it on in a zigzag pattern, went ahead and cured that. Then I went in with a detail brush. I took that same purple shade and I drew the lines of the purple and then kind of sponged it out as well. And I feel like I got pretty close to the design of the cup. I liked how it came out. And the color scheme of this cup is actually the similar colors that I was already using in this design. So it actually went really well with this design. And now I'm going to top coat. I will be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. So now it's time to put these nails on. I went ahead and soaked off my old set. So I have fresh nails, I did my cuticles, the whole thing. And we're going to put on the press-ons. So for press-ons, this is my absolute favorite glue. This is I get it from Amazon, but it's the brand Macart, and their nail glue is probably the best nail glue I've ever used. Anyone else I've made press-ons for also said it's the best nail glue they've ever used. The nails are so sturdy. You feel like you have an actual set on. It doesn't feel like you just have press-ons on. So what I do is I go and one nail at a time, I add some glue to the center of the nail, and the key is to not take it all the way to the edge, because when you press it down, if you take it all the way to the edge, it will spill out onto your skin. So if you keep it kind of in the center, then when you press it down, it'll spill just to the edge and not spill out of the nail. So that's kind of my technique for doing these press-ons. But I just go one at a time, press them on, and get all the nails on. So here is how my nails came out. I absolutely love this set. I really love doing any sort of character nails, but I think this one was just so fun because it's not something I would have typically done, but I love a good themed nail, so I had to do these nails for Disney's 90s night. So I'll insert some pictures. I have my nails in front of the castle, and I'll add a couple extra photos from 90s night. We had a fun time, and I got a lot of compliments on my nails. So make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my character tutorials. Let me know in the comments down below what other characters I should do. Make sure you are subscribed for more videos coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.